welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. I am so super happy to be here doing the second part of the series, Made in India brands, homegrown brands, shouting out brands. The response on the first episode and the second episode of the first part series was so insane that the brands told me how grateful they are to you guys. It's because of you guys that you supporting these brands, homegrown brands, and taking so much pride in Made in India brands that they've become a lot more established, which I'm so super happy about. I was super passionate about the first part of the series, and now I'm back here again. This time we're doing a lot of western wear pieces. Actually, every single thing that I'm going to show you are western wear pieces. First part में ना थोड़े से ज़्यादा Indian हो गए थे, तो अब मुझे लगा यार it's winters, it's the time to embrace western pieces. And without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. But one second, subscribe नहीं किया, क्यों नहीं किया? Please जाओ subscribe करो. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm so super close to 100k, which has been my goal for the longest time. So please help me achieve that goal. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification sign, and now really let's get into it. The first brand that I'm going to be talking about is Prose Stories or Pro Stories. I absolutely love the brand. It is a woman-founded brand, and I love that. Like, women supporting women. I really appreciate when women, take chances and just in life and start something of their own. Like this one, and their pieces are one so affordable, so good in quality, homegrown. What more can you ask for? I love the brand. Such trendy pieces, such accessible pieces. Like, why were we even looking for like international websites to shop from when you can literally get such amazing pieces in India? Their price range starts from 1,500 bucks, which is super affordable, and goes up to 4,000. This bracket is really good. The next brand, guys, you have no idea the kind of brands are in this video. They are amazing, by the way. I can't even, like, this was another great find because of my fellow influencer Masoom Meerawala. I saw her video and I'm like, what is this brand? I'm obsessed with it. And these guys make the coolest loungewear, hands down the coolest loungewear, the most comfortable pieces. Again, a brand started by a girl, which absolutely, like, guys, we're in 2020. 2020 is the year to support women, and I think we're really at it. I love this brand. Such cool pieces, such accessible pieces. They make quad sets, which are my favorites. I'm obsessed with quad sets, and they're pretty reasonable. So their entire set, essentially a full outfit with top and bottoms, range between 4,000 to 4,500, which is very convenient because that's an entire outfit put together. And the quality is amazing. The size inclusive. They're comfortable. You can literally live in these, because I live in these. I have 3 sets of these, and I kid you not, I literally stay in them. Oh my god, the next brand is a jewelry and accessory brand, and I love the brand. I love the brand. Repeat after me, I absolutely love the brand because it is one of the most amazing jewelry and accessory brands that I've come across in a very long time. Such unique designs, such good quality. I actually came to know about them because one of my stylists actually sourced from them for a particular shoot for SMUX Alaya, and I was like, what is this jewelry? Do we get this in India? Somebody's actually making it. And another plus point is that this brand was again started by a woman. I am so happy that most brands that I'm talking about, actually I think all of the brands that I'm going to be talking about in this video have been started by women. Like, this is insane. I'm so proud of all the women entrepreneurs out there. Like, we're changing the world, you know it, and you know what? Nothing is impossible. I specifically love the brand because, their entire ideology stands for how they want to make women feel more confident and love themselves more. And I think, yeah, that is freaking amazing. That's all that I stand for. And the price range is also pretty decent because it's very high in quality and such unique design. They range from 600 to 3,200, so average is around 1,600, 1,700. Literally, my camera died. What do I do? But I wanted to bring the last brand, which is Inching India. I'm so honored to bring this brand to you guys because this brand was founded by somebody's mom and mommy in Amritsar in a small boutique a few years back, and just because of the help of the family and the support of the family, they've now started this brand. Again, women-owned, women-led brand, and very inclusive. It's a size inclusive brand. Of course, all of the brands that I'm going to mention, because I'm a plus size girl, it has to be size inclusive. And you know what? This made me think that we have so much hidden talent in our country, in the nooks and corners of our country, and we just need to recognize them and support them. We even know them. We know our local designers. We know our local boutiques. Instead of, you know, spending your money in fast fashion brands, we all shop from fast fashion brand. I'm a fashion content creator. I don't work with fashion brands, but you know what? Every chance that I get, I try to support homegrown brands. I try to talk about homegrown brands. My entire series, which is called SMA in Seconds on Instagram, I've done like 400 episodes of the same, is to support homegrown brands. I try to do my bit, and now it's time for you guys to do your bit. If you guys liked anything from this series, from the first 2 episodes, from this episode, for the episode coming up, whatever you like, make sure that you guys go show them some love. I'm going to be linking everything in the description box below, so these brands are easy to find, and the next time you have to buy something, make sure you guys show them the support. They would be so grateful for it. I would be so grateful for it. Well, that's it, you guys. If you enjoy watching this, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Jaldi se yaar, please subscribe button press kar do. Matlab 100k, guys. You and I can do it. In 2020, you and I can do at least this small thing. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification sign if you want to get updates about my new videos. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, it's just at Style Me Up with Sakshi. Well, that's about it, you guys. Lots of love, lots of luck, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.